it's our new laundry room. So this laundry room used to be on the other side of the wall. We flipped it over here. We made that room into the mud room because it is the entry from the garage into the house. So we made this the laundry room. We went through a whole process to make it perfect, to make it do everything we wanted it to do and have the storage and all the nooks and crannies and everything that we wanted. All that process is detailed on the blog. I'll link to it below. I will say, after we've been using this for a while, we do not wish we'd done anything differently. It has been perfect. It really is even more than we need. So I'll run you through real quick what we did. First, I knew I wanted to raise the washer and dryer, so we did that. I also knew that I hated when I'm taking out laundry from the washer and trying to put it in the dryer and it drops on the floor. That's just annoying. So we designed these shelves that you pull out, and they pull out the full extension of the washer dryer. You don't have to do that, but you can. I also use it to set my laundry basket on when I'm pulling out dry laundry. And then, this is one of my favorite things, are these drawers. There are 2 of them, split them in half, so there are 4 sections, one beneath the washer, one beneath the dryer. These are not for clean clothes. These are for dirty clothes. So whenever we're coming back from somewhere and we have a bunch of dirty clothes, or the kids have been at the beach and they're all sandy, I did not want all those clothes to go up into the hamper just to be brought down to the laundry room to be washed again. So I wanted a drop space where all that stuff could just go directly. So to the right, in the right section is where all the whites go. The left is the darks. And then this big drawer on the left is where we'll do things like towels or cleaning cloths. Then we have a whole set of drawers over here. And then up here, you can't do drawers, so you have to do shelves, right? I hate shelves. I hate 99% of shelves, I should say. Because, especially when they're this deep, because if you want to use all the space on your shelf, you're gonna have to dig past the stuff in front to get stuff in the back. That's just annoying. So we put these full extension drawer slides onto the shelves so that I can get back. Here's where I keep the detergent and stuff. Then up here we did 4 laundry baskets for each member of our family. This is where all the clean clothes go. Hooks here for clothes. We have 3 of them, although you can't see one of them behind the linen pants. Over here, well, I'll show you what's in here. So we did not want to replicate all over here these drawers and the shelves. We didn't want to replicate it here. We wanted to do something else. So over here is this cleaning cabinet. And I will go into all the details about this on the blog too, but I will say the reason that we did it, the depth that we did, how we determined the depth was based all on this vacuum cleaner on the left. It is just this awesome vacuum cleaner. It's the best one we've ever had, and so we really wanted to keep it, but I wanted to be able to store it away. So I measured the exact depth of that vacuum, and that is what determined the depth of this cleaning cabinet. It is so awesome. It really turned out so well. It is small, but I will say it has everything we need and more. It really ended up, I think we have more storage than we even need. And the process we went through to figure out so that everything would be so perfect and that we'd have all the little nooks and crannies we wanted to, that's all on the blog. Go look at the link below and you'll see all that.